In Site Admin, on the Course Management page, you can manage the categories and courses on your LMS. Course categories can be created to organize and manage clusters of courses on your LMS. On the Category Management page, you can view all categories and courses that have been created on your site. This is also where you can create a new category. When creating a new course category, you can specify whether it should be a main or subcategory. To create a main category, you can select Top as the parent category. To create a subcategory, you can select an existing category as the parent category. You can then give your category a name and an optional category ID. This will only be used if you want to bulk create categories via a CSV upload. Your new category will then be added to the LMS, and you will be able to take various management actions. You can hide a category to make it invisible to learners. Site administrators will still be able to see and access hidden categories and courses. You can also use the arrows to reorder categories. The order of categories and courses on this page is the order in which they will be displayed on the rest of your site. The gear icon opens an action menu which allows you to edit settings, create new subcategories, or delete the category. You can also assign roles. While the site admin and course creator roles have site-wide permissions, the category admin role can be assigned to give someone management capabilities that are limited to a specific category. You can also review user permissions and finally, create and manage category-specific branches. When you click on a specific category name, all the courses within that category will be displayed in the right-hand column. Here you will be able to create a new course within the category. You can also edit, duplicate, delete, or hide individual courses. Finally, you can reorder courses within a category by using the arrows or the drag and drop functionality.